building cell is perhaps one of the most complicated piece in the entire ecosystem of battery innovation, because cell has materials, cell has design, cell has metals, cell has process, cell has technologies that are coded together. And one of the bigger things in that direction is to fundamentally bring new materials and bring new innovation to our cell technology. And we're super proud that I have my dear friend from the United States of the America here. Michael, can I have you on the stage? Thank you, Michael. We will set you up on that side. You're pretty tall for my side. I know the IPL season is going on, and you seem like a foreign player that's going to come and play an IPL here, but but you're doing something fantastic. I think the Zeta team is doing something fantastic back in the US. You guys are at the cusp of innovating a very new material, pushing the boundaries of lithium-ion materials and science with lithium sulfur. Can you share a little bit about what the work that's been happening at Zeta?
Yeah, thanks. First of all, thank you very much for being here again. Yeah, to all my wonderful hosts. Okay, I'd love to be here. But talk a little bit about Zeta, what we have been doing. So Zeta originally was founded in Houston, Texas, and with our kind of founding members, what they researched was a technology how you can build a cathode material. So one portion of the battery using primarily sulfur. So sulfur is a waste product. It's a gentleman from Petronas, he probably can testify to that. Whenever you have the crude oil going to a refinery, one thing that comes out on one side is sulfur. And a lot of these refineries, they don't know what to do with the sulfur. So this is our key building block, using sulfur, and then also a polymer, and then combining that with carbon nanotubes. And this all mixed is then becoming our cathode. And I think the beauty is that this is also location agnostic. You can build the same thing here in India, you can build it in any place because you have more than sufficient refineries here that would be able to provide you the material. So for us also the strategy is to become independent of China. In the US it's a big topic, the dependency of Chinese materials coming into the batteries. And everybody says, we're independent, but then they hire another third party that provides them the material and they buy it in China. So all these materials on the cathode side, comes from local suppliers. And on the anode side, what they've done is they developed a technology that they can grow carbon nanotubes directly onto a copper foil. And here again, the beauty is, we can use, a methane gas, which is typically also a waste product. A lot of oil wells, they're emitting methane, and this is the building block, the feedstock of our anode. Yeah. And now with that, which is also very interesting, a lot of the batteries, they're using graphite on the anode side. Because of us using the carbon nanotubes, we do not need any graphite. So here again, China controls 75% of the graphite production in the world. We're completely independent of that. We don't need it. And it can also be produced here in India as well.
Well, couldn't be more excited with the collaboration between Log9 and Zeta. Thanks for coming over, and
thanks for having me.
We look forward to building. Let's think of a cell that does not use this graphite, that uses the output of a crude oil refinery, that sucks up the methane out of the environment and give you a cell that's lighter, better, faster, and perhaps cheaper if you do it together.